Good morning, students. Today we celebrate chapter 11, the tale of custard, the dragon. These are the poetic device which is used in your chapter. Okay. First, let me know about the device. Rhyme. Rhyme is the last letter of the lines matched with each other. Okay. Repetition, where there is the same word repeat in the sentence. Okay. Oxymoron, when the two opposite words come together. Okay. There will be oxymoron. Okay. Poetic license. Poetic license means the poet can change the spelling of the words, okay, for making fun. Next, assonance, where there will be the repetition of the vowel sound, okay. Consonance, repetition of consonant, where there is this repetition of consonant sound. Simile, this is a figure of speech, okay. Here, where there is as, like, so in the sentence, there will be simile, and where there is as, like, so absent, there will be metaphor. Okay. So see the chapter and find out. Okay. So this is a types of ballad. Okay. Ballad means a short story which is about the heroic themes. Okay. So this is also a short story in which you will see dragon is an imaginative name of an animal who is very coward in the beginning, but when the situation came, then he became a courageous creature, a courageous animal, and he also saved the life of the girl. Okay. So let us come to read this chapter and find out how the dragon become a courageous animal. Okay. See. So Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a trillo little pet dragon. Okay. Here is a little girl, okay, whose name is Belinda. Okay. And Relio means this is the change in the words. Okay. The word means the little change in the word. The Relio means real and trillium is true. Okay. So Belinda lived in a little white house. Miss Belinda is a little girl who lived in a small white house, okay, with some animals. There were some animals like a black little kitten, a little grey mouse and a little yellow dog, okay, a little red wagon, okay. There was a cart, okay. And trillo means in a real true little pet dragon. Okay. So these were the four animals that were living with Belinda in her house. Okay. Second paragraph. So see in the first paragraph, the last line. Okay. Here is poetic license. Okay. Why? Because the poet changed the words, okay, according to their own way. Okay. So Relio means real and Trulio means real. So if it will ask in your exam, okay, what is poetic device, then you will write here poetic license. Okay. See. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, and the little grey mouse she called his name. Okay. And the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard, but the dragon was a coward and she called him Custard. So the little girl gave the name of the animals different way. Okay. So now, first of all, she introduced the little kitten who she gave the name Ink. The cat's name was Ink, and the grey mouse name was Blink. The mouse she called Drink, and the yellow dog she called Mustard. Okay, and the next one was their dragon. Okay, whose name she has given Custard. Okay, so Custard here covered and as called is Custard. Okay, so here again covered and she called Custard. There is alliteration. Alliteration I have written here. Alliteration means when there is the sound words repeat. C, again C sound is repeating. Okay, custard, called, custard. Okay, covered. So here is what, and in the third line, dog was served as mustard, as is given. So here is the poetic diction simile. Okay, next Istinja. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and skulls underneath, mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and trillo daggers on his toe. Okay, Custard the dragon has big sharp teeth. The custard, okay, or the dragon who has sharp teeth. Okay, spikes on his back. There were many spikes on his back. Okay, underneath the skull. Okay, so there was many spikes on his skull. Okay, mouth like a fireplace, and from his mouth the fires come out. So this is called fireplace, and chimneys for a nose, and from his nose always the smokes come out. That is known as a smoke place. Okay, so chimney for a nose. Okay, and trillo daggers, you know, knife. Okay, chaku, knife on his toe, and there was many knives on his toe. Okay, so the Belinda describing about the dragon. So here dragon has sharp teeth. Okay, there was many spikes on his back. Okay, his mouth was just like a fireplace. His nose was just like a chimney. Okay, and there was many knives on his toe. Okay, so here in the third line, mouth like is given. So here is simile, a chimney for a nose. Chimney for a nose. Chimney is just like a nose. So here is metaphor. Okay, next fourth stage. Belinda was as big as a barrel full of tears, and ink and blink chest like down the stairs. Mustard was as big as tiger in the race, but Custard cried for a nice safe case. Okay, here fourth is in Belinda was as big as a barrel full of beers. Barrel full of beer means barrel, do you know? Means stove. Okay, means she was too much courageous, just like a barrel. Okay, from barrel we can send the explosive material towards other. Okay, so here Belinda was as big as barrel. So here in first line there is simile. Okay, it means barrel means she was without fear. Okay, she was courageous, she was brave, and ink blink chose chest like down the stair. Chest means to catch. Ink blink was also courageous, brave, just like lion. Can snatch everything, they can also snatch. Okay, Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a cage. Rage means anger, and Mustard means dog was also brave just like a tiger. Okay, means when the tiger come in anger, then he can kill everything. Okay, so the Custard means dog was just like a tiger. In this line also there is simile. Okay, but Custard tried for a nice safe cage, but the Custard means dragon always stop for the safe cage. Okay. Next is Belinda tickled him. She tickled him unmerciful. Ink, blink, and mustard. They rudely called him Percival. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon at the Relio cowardly drag. Okay. So Belinda tickled is fun. Belinda always take fun with the dragon. Okay. She tickled is pinch him unmerciful. She always pinch dragon unmercifully. Okay. Ink, and mustard. They rudely called him Percival. Percival, a king in the court of Arthur. Okay. Who has gone to fight in the night, but she feared and returned. Okay. So here the dragon is compared with the king Arthur's knight. Okay. So they were rudely called him Percival. So they were called, means all the animals called him what? Coward. Okay. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon, means all these four were sitting in a little cart. Okay. At the Relio cowardly dragon. Okay. And all were saying Relio means real. Here means real and true. You are coward. Okay. Just you irritate your friends saying different names in your class. Okay. So here is personification. Percival, word is personified just like a human being. It is compared with the animals. Okay. Next is Belinda giggled till she shook the house, and Blink said Brick, which is giggling for a mouse. Ink and mustard rudely asked his age, when Custard tried for a nice safe cage. Okay. So Belinda giggled means laughed. Belinda laughed loudly till she shook the house. Means till the house became full of noise. Okay. And Blink and Brick, both Blink and Blink, okay, which is giggling, means they were also laughing to see. Okay. So here is a Blink, giggle. So this is the sound word. So there will be onomatopoeia. Okay. One figure of this is also there. Onomatopoeia. There is onomatopoeia. Okay. Ink and mustard rudely asked his age. Means these three creatures, means dog, mouse, and cat, always ask. Okay. Her means his age. Who's Custard? Okay. When Custard tried for a nice safe, and Custard always asks for the safe cage in which he can keep himself to save from the danger. Okay. Next is suddenly, okay, they heard a nasty sound, and Buster rolled, and they all looked around. Mute, cried Ink, and Pope, cried Belinda, for there was a parrot climbing in the window. Okay. So here suddenly, Miss Early, they heard a nasty, means unhappy sound, a rash sound, a dangerous sound. Okay. And Mustard growled. Mustard, Miss Dog growled to see the parrot. Parrot is a sea animal. Okay. Dangerous sea animal or robber of the sea जिसे कहते हैं. Okay. So robber of the sea. Okay. And Mustard growled, and they all looked around. Miss Ink, Pink, Custard, okay, all looking around. Okay. Mewich, cried Ink. The cat, Ink is cat. So cat, mew, okay, make the sound, okay, and watch, cried Belinda. And Belinda also cried watch, okay, for there was a parrot. Why? Because the parrot, they saw the parrot, okay, climbing in the window. The parrot or sea robber of the creature, robber of the sea was climbing through the window. Okay, means robber of the sea was climbing through the window. Okay, next. So here in the third line there is the poetic diction. Okay, poetic license. Window means winda is here given. So winda is the form of window. Okay, so there is poetic license. Understood? Next. Pistol in his left hand, pistol in his right, and he had in his teeth a cutlass bright. His beard was black, one leg was good. It was clear that the pirate meant no good. Okay, here the pistol means the pirate who was climbing through the window. He has pistol in both hands, left and right, and he had his teeth cutlass means sword. His teeth was just like a sword. Okay, his beard was black and he has a thin black beard. Okay, his one leg was made of wood. Okay, and it was clear that pirate means no good. It was clear that pirate came here to attack. Okay, means the situation was very difficult for them. Okay, here beard was black, so B sound is repeating. Okay, so here is alliteration. Okay, next stanza. Belinda pale and she cried, help, help, but mustard filled with a terrified yell. Ink trickled down to the bottom of the household, and little mouse playing strategically mouse hole. Okay, here Belinda pale. When Belinda saw the robber of the sea who was climbing at the top of the window, she became very terrified. Okay, she cried, help, help me, help me, but mustard fled with terrified yell. Terrified means ekdam घबरा. So the mustard ran away from there. Okay, and here is the transferred epitaph. Okay, in trickle down to the bottom of the household. Here trickle means the paper. So the ink means cat. The cat silently moved from there to the household things. Okay, and the little mouse blinked strategically means according to plan. Strategically means according to the plan went to the household. Okay, means cat has gone also in household things. Mouse has gone to hide in its hole. Belinda was alone there. Understood? So here transferred epitaph, it means fearful. ट्रांसफर्ड एपिटाफ का मीन्स मतलब होता है कि जब एक एडजेक्टिव और उसके बाद दूसरा नाउन गया हो तो वो ट्रांसफर्ड एपिटाफ कहलाता है. ओके, सो देयर इज द ट्रांसफर्ड एपिटाफ इन दिस लाइन. नेक्स्ट इज बट अप जंप्ड कैस्टर्ड snoring like an engine, clasped his tail like iron in the dungeon, with a clatter and a clang and a juggling squirm, he went at the pirate like a river at a moon. Okay, see here, but up jumped Castor. When the Castor saw the pirate, he jumped up. Okay, snoring means he was taking too much noise. Okay, snoring, breathe like an engine means like is used here is simile. So the Castor took the deep breath, okay, and jumped over the Castor. Okay, sorry, jumped over the pirate. Okay, the Castor jumped over the pirate. Okay, clasped his tail like iron is a dungeon. He clasped the tail too much, okay, tightly, just like it is clasped in iron bars. Okay, with a clatter and a clang and a jangling squirm. Here this is the same word means third. Okay, they were making the noise when they were fighting. Okay, So here is also onomatopoeia. He went at the parrot like a robin at a worm. Okay, robin a kind of a bird who took the aim in the air and again dived into the sea to catch the fish. Okay, so first the castor made the plan and he chased once again the parrot. Okay, the parrot grabbed at the Belinda's dragon and gulped some drops from his pocket flagon. He fired 2 bullets, but they didn't hit, and Castor and dog gobbled him every beat. Okay, the parrot grabbed at Belinda's dragon. Grab means jump. The parrot moved towards the Belinda's wagon. Okay, and gulp means do you know, and drink means a kind of liquor. Drink from the pocket of flagon. Flagon means container. Means the pirate goes towards the Belinda where there was the container. From the container he drank the drink. Okay, he fired 2 bullets and the pirate fired 2 bullets from his pistol. Okay, but they didn't hit. But the pistol, bullet didn't beat Castor. Okay, and Castor grabbed him every beat, and Castor swallowed every attack of the pirate. Okay, it means he swallowed the pirate. Okay, Miss Castor swallowed the pirate. Okay, Belinda embraced him, mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and Link in glee did Garrett around the dragon that tied the pirate. Okay, Belinda embraced him. Okay, when Belinda saw the dragon kill the pirate, then she embraced him, mustard licked him. Okay, no one mourned for his pirate victim. Pirate victim means to own with pirate. Means no one told you are the courageous. Okay, means everyone was taking round and round. Okay, means ink and wink in glee. Okay, means in happy mood. Okay, did Garrett means to move around in circle. Means when the pirate die, all the animals come from their home where they hide themselves, and they took round and round to the restaurant. Okay, the dragon died at the pirate, those who at the pirate. Okay, so here is alliteration also. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. I have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. And up spoke Ink and up spoke Blink. We have been 3 times as brave, we think. As Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. Here, cluster means confused. Cluster means confused. Means but presently up spoke little dog Mustard. Means when the pirate died, the the mustard spoke. Means dog spoke. Means when situation became normal, the dog spoke. I have been twice as brave as, means I am twice brave just like you. Okay? If I had not been confused, if I was not confused, then I could defeat the dragon, the pirate. Okay? And up spoke Ink and Blink, up spoke Blink. Means both Ink and Blink once again spoke. We have been 3 times as brave, we think. Means we think, Ink and Blink think, we were also be 3 times brave. Okay, but and Custard said, I quite agree. Means I am quite agree. I am completely agree with you. Okay, you are telling right. You were brave 3 times, 2 times, than that. Okay, that everybody is braver than me. So I accept it. You all are braver than me. Okay. See, the next is here. Belinda is still living in her little white house. Again, Belinda was living in her house. Okay, sorry. This first messenger is in past form, so this is in present form. Belinda still lives in her little white house. So Belinda lives in her white house with her little black kitten, her little grey mouse, and her little yellow dog, and her little red wagon, and her really little pet dragon. मतलब Belinda was living and she lives with all 3 animals in her house. Okay. Again, Belinda is as brave as a barrel full of beer, and ink and blink chase line down the stairs. Mustard is as brave as a tiger in a race, but Custard keeps crying for a nice safe cage. Okay, here Belinda is as brave as a barrel full of beer. Okay, Belinda is as brave, as courage, as brave. Okay, as full of barrels. Okay, Miss she was fearless girl. Okay, and ink and ink choose like down the stair. Miss they chase. Miss they can chase just like a lion. Okay, they can jump over anything just like a lion. Okay, Mustard is as brave as tiger in a race. If that Mustard, if the dog is in rage, he will just like a tiger. Okay, but Custard keeps crying for nice cage. But always Custard, the dragon, crying for the safe cage. Okay, so in this story, okay, you have read how a coward became a brave animal. Okay, when the brave animal run away to save their life, but a coward lived there to save the life of one another. Okay, so this story is a ballad which tell about the brave things. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.